If you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR above. We grade PSA, PGS, and TAG. So thank you guys for your support. Back to the video guys! So guys, welcome back again for another video, and for this time mag-open ulit tayo ng Slabby Patties from PSA. Nakakarating lang guys, as in halos ngayon lang. So probably napanood nyo na yung video kahapon. Halos kasabay niya to guys, kaya same setup, same lahat. So wait lang, repeat ko muna yung binidyo natin kahapon. I mean in-upload natin kahapon. So yun. Pero bago ang lahat, if you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR above. Thank you guys for watching. So next pack, so meron tong dalawa. Wait lang, para makita nyo ko. Yan yung kapugian ko. Another return guys. So soon mag-open tayong tag. Ay, mag-open tayong tag soon guys, soon. Okay. Yan. Mayan na natin likpit yung mga kalat guys. So hopefully maganda tong mga batch na to guys. Let's freaking go. Yes. Alright. First box muna tayo. Next na lang tong isa. First box magic. Boom. Yan guys. First card, Caldeo from Black and White. PS810 Melodic from SSP. PS810, nice one. Next one, Lily's Determination, PS810. Gardevoir, PS810 ulit. Next, Charizard, PS810. Lugia V Star, PSA10. Then Mew, PSA9. Then Torchic, PSA10. Then Lucario, PSA10. Ay 6 ay PSA6 sila parehas. Parehas din silang promo card. So next one, Charizard, PSA8. Charizard, PSA 5. Putik 5. Anong problema nito? PSA 5. Grabe, ang linis naman ah. Next one, PSA 10 Charizard. Next one, PSA 9 ay 6 pala. Next, PSA 9. Next, PSA 10 Oricorio from what do you call that? Collection box. Next one, Oricorio PSA 6. Grabe naman. Yun, PSA 10. Kala ko hindi sila bibigyan ng PSA 10 guys. Kasi puro PSA 9 yung lumabas eh. May 6 pa nga. Grabe naman yun guys. Okay. Natapos na pumaligo yung kausap ko guys. Next one, next. Boom! Another set of 20. Oh my god, dawa mabuti, baka mabagsak. So, I'm back guys. So, another PSA 10 Oricorio SIR. Not bad. Next one is Venusaur PSA 9 from 151. Mahirap talaga read yun guys. Next one is, what do you call this? Giratina PSA 10 from Japanese V-Star. Nakakamiss mag-Pokemon guys. Nung mura pa siya, tsaka hindi siya sobrang hype. Kaso wala eh. Kaya lumipat tayong Dragon Balls. Next one, Mega Lucario. O nga no, ba't dalawang Mega Lucario? Anyways. Next one is Mega Sharpedo. Next one is Mewtwo PSA 10. Next one is Mega Charizard PSA 10. Mahal ng upcharge na guys. Next one is Mega Lopunny. Next one is Mega Lucario PSA 8. Next one is Dawn PSA 9. Next one is what do you call that? Meowth PSA 10. Hindi ko ba Meowth to? Akin yata to guys eh. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi yata sa akin to. Oh, hindi sa akin. Next one is Wooper PSA 9. Ayaw talaga na. Okay. Next one, Meowth PSA 10. Next one is Wooper PSA 10. Next one is Jugong pala. Jugong Aurora Borealis Jugong PSA 10. Yeah. Next one is Piplup IR from Phantasmal Flame PSA 10. Next one is Zacian PSA 10. Next one is, what do you call this? Pikachu Pokemon Go PSA 10. And the last one is Mega Kangaskhan PSA 10. So yun guys. Sorry, medyo mabilis. So anyways, if you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kel Santos or scan the QR above. Thank you guys for watching. So I think maglilik-in angas pa rin ito guys. Dokan tugiteru, dokan dalashai. Angas ni Goku dito. Common lang to pero glimpse of hidden agurans. Oreo. Hindi, common lang talaga to. Oh. Yung binili ko dati. Oh. Pero angas. Not bad. So play ko na lang yung video guys para makita nyo yung sinasabi ko. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Click that notification bell to keep you updated. And don't forget to like and subscribe. So yun guys. I'm Tarlac base. If gusto nyo magpa-grade, contact lang. Pe-play ko yung video and see you guys in the next one. Peace! If you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kel Santos or scan the QR above. We grade PSA, PGS, and TAG. So thank you guys for your support. Back to the video guys!